What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna film a new video out of car meet, and there's a lot of cars. See, I'm not trying to be weird or anything. My mom asked me to film, so I'm gonna film. There's a lot of classic cars today, and there's also newer cars. See, like this old Porsche, and some newer models, and some cars are parked here to look at the cars. See, like for example, we're gonna show you this car. This is a Chevrolet, or whatever you guys will call it, but it looks awesome. Let's see what model it is. Oh, it's slow too, and it's green. Look at the interior, guys. There's a Coca-Cola too. It's a Camaro. Whatever this is, but this is beautiful. Oh my God, look at this pickup truck. Looks awesome too, but we're not doing anything yet. These are old cars. Now if we go over there, there's more cars and stuff. I just gotta watch out, see, because there's like a lot of cars that turn around and stuff, and I'm scared to get hit by a car, but I am safe. That's a beautiful car. All right, get ready. We're going. Hold up. Okay. See, over there, there's a lot of cars. There's a lowrider. There's a beautiful car too. Wait, hold up. Look, there's a lot of motorcycles and stuff. But it's over there. All of it is over there, the cars. Look at this one. Look at this. Look at this. Look, it's what? Look at the back wheel and look at the front wheel. And look, this is a Mazda. Look how low it is. This is beautiful. This is a GTI, I think. Volkswagen, for God's sake. Oh, look at this car. Look, this one is pretty. It's motorcycles, 2 cars just left. I think it just started or something. Motorcycles. Look at this car with a light on the hood. Look at this. It's so small. Look at this car. Look. Oh, this one is a pretty car. Dang! What does it have? Oh my God. Look, there's a Cobra. Damn! Does the Cobra come with the car? Oh, look at these. Look at the yellow car. Oh, this is clean. Oh my God, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at the inside too. I feel like I'm some movie or whatever. Oh, look at this one.
Alors, on procède avec le premier tirage. Coupon bleu numéro 2029.
Oh, look at this van.
2029. First draw of the night. Blue ticket number 2029.
Oh, look, it's a living space too. Oh, yeah. This is like a sleeping van. It's like a RV. This guy has a flag. Oh my God, this looks insane. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. It has like dragster wheels. Oh my God, look. I've remarked something. I've seen like all of the cars have like this. I don't know what that is. I think it's oh my God, look. Cuba Mayo. Look, it has a mini car version. A lot of shiny. Is that a bottle of okay. Oh. Somebody died in the back seat. Okay. Anyways, just okay. Cars are insane still. Got cars here. This one looks pretty. Has a little AMW person. You got this car too. This is behind of the like Rolls Royce looking thing. A Mustang. Dang. Oh, look at this one. This one looks beautiful. Look at this one. Very cool. A lot of beautiful cars. They're insane. There's even some over there too. This was the car. It's very small, I'm telling you. It's like probably, what, 10 feet? Look at the inside, it's small. Yeah, I know, I'm not touching you. Damn. Look at these wheels. Look at this. The back wheel is high. Bro, you know what I find beautiful? The seats, they're like stick together, and the wheels are beautiful. And the mirrors are nice. And look, they're not on the inside, they're on the outside. The speed meter, the oil thing, the water. And in the back, it's more sticks, so you have more space. And this one has a low bumper. We start come back here again with the lights of the hood. See, this is what I'm talking about. See this? All right, you see when I was talking about the thing with all the cars? I'm talking about this little disc thing. I think it's a filter. Yep, another one here. And this one looks like a cop car from a video game. I don't know if you guys are familiar with video games, but the tires are beautiful. This looks like an old cop car. The only thing missing is the hood lights and stuff. Oh yeah, this would be a good cop car, I'm telling you.
Next number 2151.
They're very beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications for every video we upload. Thank you very much. Bye.